Kickstand features an adjustable length folding arm that adjusts to fit bike sizes 16 inches to 24 inches. Easy to install with the simple use of a 16 mm or adjustable wrench and Phillips screwdriver. Steel construction offers lasting durability. Coil spring keeps kickstand securely tucked away while riding. Easy to adjust based on the height of the bike. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great for a 16 bike. After graduating from training wheels, our 16 Schwinn bike needed a kickstand. When adjusted to the shortest setting, this kickstand works perfectly. Quick to install, very sturdy, and easy for a kid to kick up and down. Great price too.